Hello, 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 my people. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. You know, it is a wonderful day today, and I'm so happy to be able to share with you. So, I'm gonna be showing you what is going on here. I have to take my time and pass this place in the country. So, a lot of damage has happened, you know, from the heavy rains that fell here in Jamaica and also from my country home. So I'm going to show you now what is going on. All right. So this is what is going on here. My goodness gracious. Look at this. The land has dropped so bad. So bad. Right here. Oh man. So this is what is happening, my people. So I'm happy to be able to share it with you so that you can see what's going on. All this has opened up so wide. And I have to step up again. Oh man. So as you can see, this is what is going on. So really suffered from the rain up here in the country. We have a big landslide around here. I'm going to show you that you can see that it's coming from way up the top. Way up the top. And this is my gateway. This is what is really going on here. This is really bad. Really terrible. I'm going to try to see if I can go over here to show you a little of what is going on. Really terrible. You know, all the pipes burst up. Road cut off. So this is what is going on, and this is what it looks like at my gateway. So I'm going to go down and show you. Now we really suffered from the earthquake that happened the other day. We really suffered from the earthquake that happened the other day, and based on the rains that happened, it made it even worse. So I'm going to show you guys I'm going to show you what's going on. All right? So mercy. Look at this. Oh, mercy. Oh, you find banana? Wow. So look, this is what is going on, my people. So basically, really have to be careful. Whee! So, this is where I used to have my little farm. Auntie Pearl! What, man? What you say? Boy, I see it. What's going on, man? So my people? Yeah. Alright, yeah, I wanna take care. Alright. So, well, here in the country, so we find banana. And this is such a nice gross little banana. So as bad as and as rough as it is, we still have something to eat. Yes. Take your time and carry it up. You can drop off. If it maybe broke off the where rat eat, yeah. My goodness. Oh, this smaller. No, not for sure them what are going. Mercy God. No, sir. Well, at least a few of my gungu them leave. Look at this, my people. So this is what is going on. Big landslide against the house. So this basically everything, like everything is going down into the gully. Alright? So I'm gonna show you what is going on now down by the house. So I'm just giving you a tour, my people, so that you can see what has really transpired based on the heavy rains over the weekend. So, you know, I am on the skirts of the Blue Mountain Range. And this is a whole lot. This is my gateway. So basically, the country house has gotten damaged. So here we have the deep cracks right here. So everything is going down, right down. So you can see. So now it's the house, and the house is lean, tumbling down. Look at this. It's a broken up, broken area. Mighty Father, who art in heaven. Look at this. Oh my God, hallowed be thy name. The house is turning over. Yep. So this has opened up wider. And everything from the road is coming down. So the entire yard really broken up terribly. This is serious. So this is what is going on, my people. Everything is moving away. Move out deeper. Now I have some of the videos that I did when the earthquake, but since the rain come and go underneath, everything is tumbling down. Right, as you can see here, sink right down the entire yard. Basically crumbling. So this is what it is looking like. Puppy! I wonder where's the puppy. So I'm gonna go around the back and show you. This is really dangerous. This is it. This is it. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh mercy. Look at this. Everything is gone. Oh my gosh. Oh man. So this is what it is looking like. This is my first time seeing it, so it's a surprise to me as well. And when you go down the bottom here and look down, you know, I can see the pit moving away right there. And there's also another breakaway down here. So the pear tree, everything is gone. See there? So this is what the rain did, my people. This is what the rain did to me. A country house. So I'm gonna show you now what is going on here. So this is what it is looking like from my end. On this side, I'm standing on top of the pit, and it's dangerous. So I'm not gonna stand up on it no longer. Look at this. So it is shifting, sinking, everything in one. And this is it. Yep. Yes, Lord. Yeah. So everything is out of position. Everything is tumbling down. Yeah. So now you get a chance to see clearly what is going on with it. As you can see around this side, everything is just out of place. Alright? So yeah, this is a lot, but God is still a good God. So I'm gonna go down on my farm around here. I used to farm. Everything is gone. Everything is gone. See it here? Everything is going down into the gully. Right down. As you can see, my people. Wow. So all my gungo. Wow. All my planting, banana, that is okay. But this is how it is. So shout out to all those who will watch this video. Share it around. Share up the video. And let them see all that has happened and is going on in East Rural St. Andrew. Yeah. So hit up the like button and share this video so that all the persons that need to see this video, important persons, ODPM, Red Cross, Minister Andrew Holness, and my Member of Parliament, Juliet Holness. Yes, this is what has happened in Israel St. Andrew. So we can no longer live here. Maybe we can just plant trees and we get fruits to eat. But this is the end of it. Yeah, so I'm happy I'm able to share it with you guys. Serious things, you know, happening and has happened. Yeah, the house is turning over and can no longer live in it.
Cut off.
That me I do. View and the pearl and chain and I try make it through. Okay guys, this is my morning. Part where I should walk to go home, but all you can see is just pure broccoli. Wrong side mostly.
Man, you sinking out there, so I walk and I sink.
Some of my family is trying to make it over.
Don't walk near me, I go sink. Alright, sink on where don't see it. Alright, we tell you not to walk there, so. Cause this I go sink. Alright, yes, man. Cause they tell me not to walk because I go sink. What James is coming here?
What a wicked or dirty foot. That's what's going on for today, my people. I'm happy to be able to share with you. All right, so take care until next time.